Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. Check it out, a 1962 Ford Thunderbird. Wow, this is clean. So this vehicle is the first year that they came out with the Landau top, and I'll show more of that in a moment. Here's the 390 motor, and look how clean that engine bay is. And the hood, you can see right there, that's how you would secure the hood, and just amazing, the design. So this body style came out in 61. It was 61, 2, and 3, and then they changed it again in 64. And this is just an amazing example. And as I mentioned, the Landau top came out in 62. I just love the way the handle there is a push button, and then you reach through the chrome. 62 was the first year for the swing. I think 62 was the first year for the swing away steering wheel. So you had the ability to swing it away, get it out of your way. But look at the cockpit is what I would call it, just amazing. And then in 64, the back seat was a lot cooler. There's the Landau top. So that was a vinyl top first year they came out with that. And there you can see the three accent pieces that identifies it as a 62. The 61 I think was stacked on the back, and then the 63 had it in the door. There's the fuel filler, so that would flip out of the way. You'd fill your fuel there. And there's the jet age taillights. They had that on 61, 2, and 3, and just love the turquoise on the Thunderbird emblem. There's a good look at the three accent pieces and the Landau top, and that vinyl top is just gorgeous. And that's something that stuck with Thunderbird for years, the vinyl top with the Landau top. And then just look at that cockpit. It reminds me of the Tucker. Tucker came out with a vehicle in, I think, 48, and you could, part of the safety was you were supposed to be able to dive underneath the dashboard. But just a great car, great looking car, very, very clean. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. But what a beautiful, beautiful 1962 Ford Thunderbird.